Hey, how's it going? This is Joe and Tell. In this box, I have a brand new product from a company called Syng. Very exciting. Let's take a look. But first, a quick message from our show sponsor. What's up, guys? So I just moved into this new spot and I need something for one of the TVs. I'm thinking of getting a few different types of sound bars. What do you guys think?
Sound bar? For real, Joe?
Have you checked out the Polk Reserve?
What about the R200s, man? They're like some small bookshelves, but they've got some really big sound.
All right, for sure. I'll check them out and I'll let you guys know how it goes. What's up again, guys? So I have the Reserve, the R200 set up. Dude, they sound awesome. You guys got to check some out for yourself. What are you thinking over there, Chana? If you don't have at least one good audio system in your home, I highly suggest that you get one. Just go and treat yourself. So first things first, this is just an unboxing. I'm gonna do a full review later on. This product here, I didn't know about until somebody tagged me in a Facebook post and said, hey, have you checked this thing out? I took a look on their website and I was like, man, that thing looks wild. Looks like nothing I've ever seen before. Well, it actually kind of reminds me of that old Apple Harman Kardon thing, the clear one. But anyway, that's not what this is. Although the guy who created this was a former Apple employee. So let's just take a look and see what this is all about. I'm actually supposed to have a meeting with these guys to have a look at the features and all that stuff. But for right now, let's just see what's in the box. All right, so right off the bat, it is pretty heavy, pretty large. This is not an inexpensive device, so I'm gonna be careful. All right, so first thing I see here, get this out of the way. At the very top, we have this. Let's see what this is. Okay, so nice presentation, and it just looks like, I'm not sure what that is actually. So this product is called the Cell Alpha. Welcome to New Sound. On their website, they talk about how you can pair 2 of them or 3 of them, and you'll get the best sound that way. Right now they only send me 1, so we'll see how that goes. Right now it's just showing me how to assemble your cell, how to control your cell. Wow, this looks very different from what I've seen before. With the Syng Space app, or use the control ring to play, pause, and adjust volume. All right, so here's another interesting thing about this is you can use 1 and you can actually use 2 or 3, like I said, maybe even more, and you can lay them out however you want according to them. So you don't even have to have them placed in a specific way. I don't know if it's accounting for the room. I don't know exactly what it's doing, but we're definitely going to find out. All right, what else is in here? A sticker and another sticker. And it says lift. Okay. What is this? What is this? Never seen an unboxing like this. Looks like something from outer space. What is this? Smells like cardboard and other stuff. What is going on? I feel like something came from outer space and I feel like Will Smith in Independence Day. What is this thing? What is happening? What is going on here? All right, I have to tear this one. Very different. There's a lot of these little tabs. What? You guys seen this? What is this? Remove after assembly. I just see a ball with this knob here, and on the bottom. So I was right, there's more. There's another box here, which makes sense. This is the table, stand, and the plug. All right, we'll take a look at this in a second too. All right, so here we go. Take this thing out. All right, so first thing I see at the bottom, it looks like some kind of woofer. That I recognize as a surround and a cone. Ooh, dual surround. All right, already. And I see a bunch of little microphones. All right, let's keep peeling back the layers. This thing looks wild. For real though. What is it? Is it a astronaut's helmet? Nope. It's a revolutionary new speaker. I'm always curious about this sort of stuff. And I'm always looking for advancement in audio because really, there's not a ton of advancement, let's be honest. A speaker nowadays looks not that different from a speaker from the 70s. They may have gotten smaller, and there's a lot of advancement in DSP, which is exciting. But as far as looks, there's only a few companies that are really trying a lot of new things, and that's Sonos, Apple, and hopefully this company. So here it is. Take a look at this. Look at this thing. You can see inside, it's like a bunch of like computer chips. You see it looks like a horn-loaded kind of like tweeter there. But there's not one, not two, but three of them all around. And there's another woofer here on the bottom. You can see that the woofers, because they're on both ends, these are dual opposing. And this has the center cut out because that's where the pole is. Now to see what's in this box. Just based on the weight, I think it's probably gonna be, you know, some kind of table stand as it says here. And on the picture, it looks like there's ones that are floor standing. So maybe just a taller stand that you can purchase. All right. This looks suspect. Oh, okay. What is this? All right, so it looks like an extension pipe. I see a cable. Here is the base. Nice weight. This looks like it just goes on here. And a cable stop here on the bottom. Here are the instructions also. It just shows how to connect the base up. So you can wire the cable through so you don't have to look at it. Goes through the base. And it looks like you can use this via USB-C if I were to guess. Or definitely via Wi-Fi using, on the box it shows Apple Music. But also it shows Spotify. Alright, so I'm going to have to get this connected. You're going to have to wait for my full review for my impressions. But I do want to take a quick listen. So routing the cable through, easy. Cable stop on the bottom. I see two USB-C connections, one here at the bottom, and I also see another one here on the side. So I'm not sure which one I'm supposed to use. Maybe if you plan on using this wired all the time, you can use a wire, hide it in here so you don't have to see it hanging out of the side. Whoa, does that look crazy or what? There it is. This thing definitely has some weight to it. And all right, so the cable stop goes down here also. So that's so that this doesn't get pulled out. Pop this little thing on. Pop right there. This knob here is the volume control. All right. All right, I plugged it in. It's plugged in. You get the app. It doesn't look like they have an Android app. Let me go get my either my MacBook or my iPad. 1 second. Yeah, so I'm on their website and it says here that the Android app is coming summer of 2021. By the way, this is $17.99 right now. Like I said, it's not inexpensive. Here I have my iPad and I see the app Syng space get. Okay, my iPad is too old. It says it requires iOS 13 or later, so let me go get a newer iPad. Alright, so I'm back with a working iPad. Guess who has a newer iPad than me? My 3-year-old daughter. Alright, so it's asking me to get started. Asking me for my phone number. Okay, I don't know why you need that. Alright, for verification. Let's get your cell ready. Before you continue, assemble and plug in your first cell. Next, let's connect it to Wi-Fi. Start a sound check. Yo, that had some pretty good bass right there. Listen now. Okay, place your cell in your space. And alright, so let me go ahead and just play something via AirPlay here. Okay, let me try to find some copyright-free music.
So take me on a trip now, trip. Oh, flip the switch, kill the lights. Oh, wasted. City lights are shining so bright. All these empty faces.
Alright, so I'm connected with USB-C. And let me see if it shows up as a sound device. And it does. It says Syng cell. And if I play a song, there it goes.